La Casa de Papel, Money Heist. The series, which had spread its craze globally, it was beyond the mind of people. It was loved by many people, not only in Spain, but all over the world. In India, its craze was at peak that in many cities like Jaipur, some of the companies were given holiday on the release of volume 1. Before starting this video, if you like my content, please like it, share it, and please subscribe my channel. And please stay with me till the end of this video. Many people have power to make the people think in the way they think. They make their understanding of people in between good or bad opposite. We start loving bad peoples. This skill is very tough to earn. I personally think Alex Pina owe this skill. Not only owe this skill but had done PhD in it. For those who don't know Alex Pina, he is the producer, director, writer and the creator of the series Money Heist. So, why I am saying like it? So there is only one comparison in entertainment industry. One side Money Heist and the other side all the movies and the series of Bollywood, Hollywood. He changed our thinking of recognition. For example, अगर मैं आपको बोलूं that Nirav Modi and Vijay Mallya are not the thieves, they are the great brains. So you will run after me holding sleepers in hand. If we talk about normal movies or series, there is a clearance of hero and villain. That policeman is hero and the thief is villain. Sometimes the policeman is corrupted, so he is not the hero, but the thief is definitely a villain. But it's not in the case of Money Heist. I had never saw people loving thieves. इस वीडियो के लिए भी उन्हें thieves बोलने में शर्म आ रही है. Gandia, Tamayo, who were the policemen of the series, were the most hated person for the series. Whereas the professor and the other teammates were planning to steal money. Then too, they were the favorite person of everybody. They were in the mind of us in the way that on the death of few of the teammates like Nairobi, Tokyo and Berlin, we were emotionally distracted. We cried a lot on the death of them in the series. Few qualities or things of the series which will stay with me till the end of my life are: never give up. The way of their escape when Professor entered the Bank of Spain. I personally leave the hope and assumed all will die. But everything got changed. The gold was stolen and everyone escaped. This was because of the last moment plans of the professor. While planning of anything, we should look after positive and negative things, both that can happen during a plan. We only look after positive things that are going to happen, like we will earn and then we will develop. But we not look after negative things. We should learn this quality from professor. He had plans on both situations. He know how to celebrate the achievement, but he also know how to execute plans in bad situations. He had predicted all the bad and good situations which will happen during the heist. Never lack plans. This was the best quality of professor. At any situation when we were assuming that all will get arrested and the heist will get that over, but the professor had a plan to escape from every situation. Always live in present. It's the most important thing that we can learn from the heist. The way they used Bela Ciao. After they executed 90 tons of gold, they sang Bela Ciao and enjoyed the situation. Knowingly, they were not unknown by the fact that the rescue is more important. During the rescue from the Bank of Spain, they could have died, but they not spoiled the moment and lived in present, and they celebrated the achievement that they rescued 90 tons of gold. At the end of volume 1, I had assumed an ending that everyone will die and the heist will get over, being incomplete. But I thought something other and I saw something other. It was a happy ending. As till now, we have saw such endings that the villains die. But it was something other. You can comment below that if you have thought for some other ending. At the end, people will just say that it's a series. Why are you making so much hype? But it's not just a series, it's our emotion.
Me llamo Toca.